Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. In this video we're gonna see about the Reddit creator just turned his in-display fingerprint sensor into a camera. Is it possible to do it? And there are a lot of privacy issues in it. You guys may heard of it. So we're gonna discuss about that in this video elaborately. It will be a short video, so I get messed up with you guys. So let's start away. Let's get started. So first of all, it is possible to do it, and this all started when many brands have started to introduce their in-display fingerprint scanner. Um, yeah, you most probably even your phone may have that in-display fingerprint scanner. It looks like a fashion, to be honest with you guys. To remove the back, it looks like a shabby thing in the back of your phone. Looks like that, right? The design whenever a smartphone released. So the brands have thought about it, so they removed it in a better ways to bring it in display fingerprint scanner. But is it possible to do it as a camera, turn into a camera? Let's talk about the optical camera, how it works first of all. It actually has capacitors to, capacitors, sensors to, that use capacitors to form an image of your finger, like when you keep your finger on the fingerprint sensor. The opticals ones use a camera actually to capture the image of your finger, to recognize with the normal fingerprint which have been already registered. You will just compare them both. If it is both are same, then it will come to a conclusion that you are the user when it is available to you. So and then what else? You get into the form, right? But this is a simple job, and there's a camera really at back of your phone. Most probably, the same technology is most probably going to be coming when you're talking about the in-display in-display camera. It's not a big deal, right? But a Reddit creator has been turned into his a normal fingerprint sensor into camera. How is it possible? You may have this question, right? So he has a Xiaomi 90, somewhat that series phone, and actually use activity sensor to see the hidden actions which are taking place, which are not shown to him by his phone. So he used to use it. Suddenly, as you can, I'm going to put a video on now. So what the video now? As you guys can see in this video, he opened the activity launcher and his device and searched for the fingerprint sensor. Then he opened a new page by tapping the locate sensor button, and this page we got a locate a tiny viewfinder showing what the digital camera capturing from your fingerprint sensor region. So it's a simple thing. Yeah, actually, if you talk about that, it's not a big deal. It is actually the mechanism is the same, but is it comes under privacy issues? Hardly, most probably not. It will be only turned on whenever you're going to unlock your phone. Most probably not come into the privacy issues, even though it comes under. It has very very poor camera, so that it is you can why many brands are not bringing this technology. That's what they're building the technology for a bigger sensor cameras, because we guys use 32 megapixel or 16 megapixel selfie cameras. We can keep it under the display what the same mechanism what it does. So to do that, we have to do somewhat research on it. So that's what they made, and now slowly you guys can see many other brands are bringing in display fingerprint sensor, in display fingerprint camera. So that's what's going to be the future, because we don't like that pop-up camera or a cutout camera or pop-up camera is absolutely welcome, but it will not be a big feature for a long time, because after using a motorized camera, after you're gonna use, it will use battery. Absolutely, it will not come for a longer period of time. Yeah, maybe it comes around 2 to 3 years most probably. But what about the future? Most of them are using it even 3 to 4 years of smartphone. So at that time, it's not a great thing to. According to the technology wise, the technology what it uses, it's not a big deal. But what about the privacy? That's all about the smartphone brand. Even though they can't record a big video, so it's not possibly not a privacy issue. My prediction is that, because most of you guys are seeing this video on a phone which has a notch, or either notch or a cutout, whatever. Most probably a phone will be. They can straightly record that. Well, right. So it's not a big privacy issue according to me. But there is a thing like that happening in the internet, so that's what I want to tell you guys. So if you are shocked about this news, just hit the like button, subscribe button, bell icon, and it's a short video as I mentioned before. Catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye.